Amid a massive row over the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmoy Krishnadas over a sedition charge, ISKCON Bangladesh has distanced itself from the monk. Meanwhile, in India, there's a call for the Modi government to take action. Hindu seers met the Bangladesh Deputy High Commissioner in Kolkata today. External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar also briefed the Prime Minister on the violence in Bangladesh.
Catch and slaughter them. That's the chant raised against Hindus on the streets of Chittagong, Bangladesh by the Nizam-e-Islam's workers. As the showdown over the arrest of former ISKCON monk Chinmoy Krishnadas escalates, Bangladesh continues to remain on the boil.
वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोग इस्कॉन के एक एक भक्त को पकड़ कर काटेंगे, मारेंगे। तो इस तरह की तो लैंग्वेज यूज़ किया जा रहा है। लेकिन जब सरकार की तरफ से भी ऐसे बयान आने लगते हैं तो इतने बड़े जो भी माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं वो लोग बहुत ही अपने को असुरक्षित महसूस कर रही है।
The country's High Court has refused to ban ISKCON despite calls from Hasnat Abdullah of the Students Against Discrimination movement, labeling the organization a terrorist group. But Chinmoy Das is still under arrest. In a stunning turn of events, ISKCON Bangladesh, presumably under pressure, has disassociated itself from the arrested Hindu priest.
Chinmoy Krishnadas, Chandan Kumar Dhar, ISKCON Bangladesher Mukhopattro non. তাই তার বক্তব্য সম্পূর্ণ তার ব্যক্তিগত। অতএব লীলারাজ গৌর দাস, স্বতন্ত্র গৌর দাস ও চিন্ময় কৃষ্ণ দাসের বক্তব্য এবং কৃতকর্মের জন্য ইসকন বাংলাদেশ কোনোভাবেই দায়ী নয়।
Why has ISKCON Bangladesh abandoned its own is anyone's guess. In India, there's a clamor for the centre's intervention on Hindu minorities being targeted in Bangladesh, something that Prime Minister Modi has repeatedly raised in the last few months.
जे सरकार के पास हमारे मांग पहुंच देंगे एवं सरकार उसके विवेचना करके हमके जानाएंगे।
मांगे कौन सी थी आप लोगों?
चिन्मय कृष्ण प्रभु को बेहद मुक्ति करना, बांग्लादेश को जो हिंदू मठ मंदिर संत है उसका जीवन निरापद करना।
In an official statement released by the Indian Ministry of External Affairs, India has called upon the Bangladesh government to ensure safety and security of Hindus and all minorities and their places of worship. The government says that the primary responsibility for the protection of life and liberty of all citizens of Bangladesh, including minorities, rests with the government. With tensions mounting, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar discussed the situation in Bangladesh with Prime Minister Modi, a top-level meeting. Jaishankar is also expected to brief Parliament on the issue soon. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee declared atrocities on anyone, be it Hindus or Muslims, will not be tolerated. She's also said that she will support the Modi government's stand on this issue. There were protests in solidarity with Bangladeshi Hindus in Jammu as well.
They are demanding that Hindus should be protected, their rights should be safeguarded. They are also demanding that the world community must take cognizance of the developments in Bangladesh.
हमारे संतों के, हमारे युवाओं के आत्म बलिदानी जत्थे जाकर वहां पर अपने हिंदुओं की सुरक्षा को स्वयं निश्चित करना हम जानते हैं।
The Hindu minority in Bangladesh, which constitutes only about 8% of its 170 million population, has faced hundreds of attacks since the fall of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's Awami League government on August the 5th. Bureau Report, India Today.